Hey everybody, it's Gary Evans. Remember, your home's sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. We want to invite you tomorrow, Saturday, to our tour of homes here at the Towns of Grants Lake at 2930 Grants Lake Boulevard here in Sugar Land for our special open house, tour of homes open house. Starts at 1. We're going to be here from 1 to 3. So we're going to have limited availability. So please make sure that you come on by and see this wonderful townhome. Exquisite, updated kitchen, laminate flooring, tile flooring, wonderful fireplace. You've got to see this home, and the first chance to see it is going to be tomorrow at 1 to 3. So be sure and come on by. No matter what your situation may be, let's say you have a home that you're trying to downsize. Well, this would be the perfect home for that, because it would be just a wonderful addition from you going from where you are in the big house to downsizing into this perfectly well-maintained townhome that is less maintenance for you. And what we're going to offer you is the Tour of Homes Special Bonus Pack number 1, which is our special report. It's 11 costly home inspection traps to know weeks before listing your home. Come by for that, that's for sure. Let's say your situation is you are in an apartment, you're paying rent, you're tired of paying someone else's mortgage, you want to own your own home. We're going to have our Tour of Homes Bonus Pack number 2 for you, which is how to stop paying rent and own your own home. You know, it's easier than you probably think. So tomorrow, Saturday, come by. The Tour of Homes stops here 1 to 3. We're going to be limited in how many people can come by, so please be here at the beginning. And remember, it's Gary Evans. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it.